In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a trademark symbol into your PowerPoint presentation seamlessly. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're working on a project that involves branding elements or protecting intellectual property. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you need to open your PowerPoint presentation file. You may already have it open, but if not, go ahead and locate the file on your computer and double-click it to launch it. Once the presentation is open, navigate to the slide where you want the trademark symbol to appear. It's always good practice to know exactly where you're adding new elements to maintain a consistent and organized presentation layout. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the ribbon with various tabs. Look for the Insert tab and click on it. This tab is your gateway to adding all sorts of content to your slides, ranging from images and charts to symbols. Now in the Insert tab, locate the Symbols section, typically positioned on the right side of the ribbon. Click on Symbol and a dialog box will appear, showcasing a multitude of characters and symbols available for use. In this dialog box, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Font. Click on this drop-down and scroll through the options until you find Symbol. Selecting this option changes the character set, giving you access to a variety of special symbols, including mathematical and currency symbols. Scroll through the available symbols in the grid until you find the trademark icon, denoted by TM. Often, it may take a little scrolling, but it's usually located in the first few rows, so it shouldn't be too difficult to spot. The trademark symbol is widely recognized and used to assert ownership or rights to a particular name or logo, making its inclusion somewhat imperative in presentations pertaining to business or legal matters. Once you spot the TM symbol, click on it to highlight your selection. With the trademark symbol selected, click Insert at the bottom of the dialog box. This process effectively places the TM symbol in your designated text box or section of the slide. You may notice it's added at the cursor's exact location, so ensure you've selected precisely where you want it to appear beforehand. Finally, you're done. The trademark symbol is now part of your slide. If needed, you can resize or move it just like any other text element to better fit your design. Adding symbols like this can help convey professionalism and pay attention to detail in your presentations. And there you have it. Adding a trademark symbol in PowerPoint is straightforward once you know where to look. Feel free to revisit these steps when needed, and good luck with your presentation endeavors.